Okay, so this is the college assignment, the comparison worksheet. Everything you're going to do is going to be found on bigfuture.org. I include the link in the document. So, and I've organized the entire chart based on the order of things in Big Future. So I'm not going to log into Big Future because I'm not a student, but you can. And you're going to look up a school. I always use my own college as an example. And notice how there's these 5 sections: at a glance, deadlines, majors and learning environment, campus life, applying and paying. That's how I've organized this chart. See? You're going to look up 3 different schools: your reach, your target, and your safety. The way to determine if it's a reach, a target, or safety is in the applying section. Scroll down a little. You go to SAT and ACT scores, and you look at this range for the SAT scores of accepted students. If your SAT scores are a little on the low side of this range, this college is a reach. If your scores are in the range, it's a target. If your scores are above the range, the school is a safety school for you. So I want you to choose 1 reach, 1 target, and 1 safety. And you're going to be filling everything out. Other than determining whether it's reach, target, or safety, everything else is in order. Starting with at a glance, then deadlines, majors and learning environment, campus life, applying, and paying. It's just an assignment for you to assemble the facts of 3 different schools, to compare them, and to get a better idea of what you're looking at. Maybe a document to keep all your deadlines in one place. If the school does not report, say it doesn't tell you how much the tuition is, you're going to type N/A for not available. However, for your own purposes, please do go to the website of the school itself. That's going to have that information for you. It's just that every college organizes their website differently, and on Big Future, everything is organized the same way. So that's the tutorial.